Welcome to another update from Churn Lane. So in order to add some extra detail to the layout, today we're going to have a look at these wonderful little 3D printed items from the ModelU range. So here we have a seagull kit, 12 seagulls in different poses. You're going to find this much easier to actually paint with the birds still on the frets, only because they are very small. Okay, so we're going to do a base coat of white, and then we'll look to add the additional detailing into the feathers. So here we have the ModelU crows, a pack of 10 in various poses. You can see it once again just how small these actually are. So we're going to give these a base coat of black, and then we'll add on some additional detailing. Here we have the ModelU rabbits. Here we're going to do these with a base coat of light brown. Here we have the ModelU shunter with pole. I've trimmed away the excess from the 3D printing just so I can get into the figure. So we're just going to go ahead and proceed directly to paint this, and I'll show you the finished result. Okay, so here we go. We have all the items painted now. Here's the seagulls. You can see I've also just about managed to pick out all of the peaks and the feet. We have the crows, we have the rabbits, and we have the shunter with the pole. So what we'll do is we'll take these, cut them away from their frets, and install them onto the layout. Okay, so here we are. Now we remove these from the frets. You can see just how small these actually are. So I think it's going to be a case of a little bit of patience trying to hold these in place, trying to get these to stick with some good super glue. Let's go see what we can do. Okay, so that proved to be a little bit fiddly. Contact adhesive works instead of super glue. Here we've got the rabbit running across the road, seagull on the wall, some crows on the signal box, seagull perched on the lamp, crows dotted around, got a little rabbit on the platform, crows on the sign, some seagulls on the roof here, again another rabbit on the platform, and at the back of the layout got a seagull about to land on the canopy, some perched on the roof ledge, again another crow on the lamp, and then on the left hand side of the layout got a crow just landed on the fence here, seagull sitting on the line side hut, and a shunter with pole waiting in the yard to uncouple some wagons. So again, it's just adding that extra little bit of detail onto the layout. It's always nice just to include a little bit of wildlife where we can. Thanks ever so much.